Welcome to our brand new Fordthorne Transit Centre website. We now have 4 new buttons on our page with in-stock new commercials, in-stock used commercials, offers and the 4 care code. Desktop and mobile users have probably seen these changes over the last few months, but there's not too much different on our homepage, which still includes the relevant models, used cars, Ford lease offers and some background on our company. For this tutorial, we're going to show you around our in-stock new commercials page we've had on the site since June of this year. Our in-stock commercials page details all the latest vehicles we have in offer, and if you do want to make an inquiry, we now have an Inquire Now button, a Book a Test Drive button, Click to Call and an in-stock used commercials button. We have 4 tabs available for you currently, Ford Transit being the first, Ford Transit Custom the second, and you can scroll through all our vehicles to see which have been sold and which are still available to inquire. Luton van, and also Ford Ranger, including MSRT and Wildtrak. As you scroll further down the page, you'll find our Arriving Soon section, which includes vehicles which will soon be in stock, but you may inquire to be the first in line when these vehicles are available. Returning back to our home page, we're also going to show you one of the other new pages that we've created for our website, the Offers page. The Offers page has our latest Ford commercial offers for both new and used vehicles. These include things such as business looking up and no interest, we have 0% APR. We have our finance lease deals, as well as any commercial service offers, such as this one, 3 years servicing. The relevant T's and C's are included at the bottom for your convenience. One page not many people know about is our blog, which can be found in our About Us navigation. Our blog is regularly updated with lots of useful information from Ford and our own dealership, such as Ford's partnership with the RNLI, the new Transit Connect MSRT, and the Ford Ranger range. As you scroll through our blog, you'll see things such as the Ranger Stormtrack and Wolftrack, Ranger MSRT, mobile servicing, custom trail, transit trail, Ford Pass Pro, and Ranger Raptor. Of course, our new commercials page have also been given a little bit of a brush up. We now include our range from prices, excluding VAT, on all our model pages, as well as the relevant 4 buttons at the top, which still are Inquire Now, Book a Test Drive, Click to Call, and in this case, in stock new commercials. Inquiring on the vehicle couldn't be easier. Clicking on the main button at the top for both desktop and mobile users will provide you with the inquiry form, where you must enter your full name, email, and the reason of your inquiry. It does help if you include a phone number and a message, just so we're able to help you to the best of our ability when we talk with our sales team. Select that you are not a robot and submit the inquiry to us. We hope this tutorial has guided you well as we return to our homepage. If you are looking for Fordthorne cars, of course, please do click this button and that will take you onto our Ford car website. Thank you.